Volcanoes, a beautiful yet destructive geological force. Volcanoes change the landscape of our planet. Not only do they destroy, they also create. There are many different types of volcanoes all around the world. Some can even be seen from space. Did you know that there are even volcanoes right here in New Mexico? Or even better, did you know that we all live right next to volcanoes? Each of the yellow stars is a volcano in your area. Today, we are visiting the Albuquerque volcanoes, just west of Albuquerque. Let's go! Few large cities in the United States have young volcanoes near them, like Albuquerque does. The Albuquerque volcanoes are as young as 140,000 years, which is actually very young for a volcano. Because the Albuquerque volcanoes are geologically young, so many details of small eruptions are well preserved. The Albuquerque volcanoes are fissure volcanoes, and based on the history of small fissure volcanoes, scientists believe they will not erupt again. Fissure eruptions form because molten rock, or magma, tend to rise along vertical cracks. When the cracks reach the surface, they cause long surface fissures. Lava and ash then erupt from the fissures. As magma quickly cools and solidifies along most of the crack, only a few points continue to erupt. Small cones of ash, spatter, and lava are built at these points. The physiography of the Albuquerque area is the sum of many geological features. The grand design is determined by the Rio Grande Rift, one of the most impressive rift zones on Earth. The rift has fractured the Earth's crust and caused the mountainous margins to rise thousands or tens of thousands of feet relative to the subsiding inner valley. As the fractures developed, they acted as conduits for the rising magma, which produced the volcanic landforms which border the city. These magmas brought with them mineral resources and heat energy. Erosion of the flanking mountains has slowly filled the rift valley with thousands of feet of porous sediment, and with time, this sediment has soaked up rain and river water to become a huge underground reservoir. Thus, Albuquerque has been blessed with both scenic and natural resources in abundance. Don't forget to bring your walking shoes and a water bottle if you come visit. There are so many great things to see. You will find lots of igneous rocks. An igneous rock is a rock which melted to molten magma and then recooled and solidified. Many of these lava rocks are easily spotted because of all the holes. Gases were trapped inside the liquid magma, and as the rock cooled and solidified, the gases would bubble up, leaving a very porous rock. Come to the Albuquerque volcanoes yourself and see what you find. See you later, seahorses. Have fun.